everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about chemical kinetics. This is the one of the important chapter in physical chemistry. This chapter is very important chapter in so many competitive exams like AU Set or MSc entrance exams or IIT JAM or JEE Mains. Now my name is Uma Shankar. Start this section and see this board. And what is chemical kinetics? Friends, what is chemical kinetics? Now, the chemical kinetics is the chemicals means chemical reaction, kinetics means motion or speed. Okay, friends. Now, chemical kinetics is, friends, chemical kinetics is branch of physical chemistry. Friends, chemical kinetics is branch of physical chemistry which deals with first one is the rate of reaction, and second one is the factors which affect of rate of reaction, and third one is the mechanism of a reaction. Okay, friends. Now, what is chemical kinetics? Friends, chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with rate of reaction and factors which affect of rate of reaction and mechanism of reaction. This is the deals with chemical kinetics. Now, in chemical kinetics, so many concepts are present in there. Now, I am write the topics in one by one. First one is the first concept. First one is the rate of reaction. First concept is the rate of a reaction, and second concept is the factors. Friends, factors affecting of rate of reaction, that is ROR. And these factors affecting of rate of reactions is factors affecting in concentration, very important, concentration, effect of concentration and temperature. Okay, friends, and etc. pressure and catalyst. And concentration, the one more concept is introduced. The concept is the order of reaction. Okay, friends, order of reaction. And temperature, one more concept. The concept is the Arrhenius equation. Okay, friends, Arrhenius equation. In order of reaction, the concept is the first order and second order and third order or nth order and 0th order. This is the order of reaction. Concept is first order, second order and third order, nth order and 0th order. This is the order of reaction concept. And next one more concept is the rate law. And next concept is the rate law. Next concept is the molecularity of, friends, molecularity of reaction. Friends, molecularity of reaction. And next concept, molecularity of reaction, and last concept is the mechanism of reaction. Okay, friends, these are the concepts are present in the chemical kinetics. First one is the rate of reaction, factors affecting of rate of reaction and concentration and temperature. What happened the rate of reaction? This concentration is effect of rate of reaction, order of reaction, first order, second order, third order, nth and 0th order. In temperature effect, what is Arrhenius equation? and rate law and molecularity of reaction and mechanism of reaction. These are the concepts are present in the chemical kinetics. Now in my videos I am one by one explain briefly in one by one concept. Now in this video I am going to explain rate of reaction. Okay friends, in this video I am going to explain rate of reaction. This is clear friends, this is arise. Okay friends, now I am going to discuss about rate of reaction. The concept is rate of reaction. Friends, what is rate of reaction? Friends, rate of reaction is nothing but change in concentration of reactant and change in concentration of product with respect to time. That is called as rate of reaction. Friends, rate of reaction is nothing but change in concentration of reactants and change in concentration of product with respect to time. That is called as rate of reaction. In depends upon the rate of reactions, the reactions are classified in the three categories. Okay friends, the reactions are classified in the three categories. First category is the very fast reaction. Friends, very fast reaction in depends upon the rate of reaction classified in the three categories. First one is the very fast reaction. This very fast reactions is complete few seconds or fractional seconds or few seconds. These reactions are complete. That is called as very fast reaction. Now very fast reactions example is the ionic reactions. Friends, ionic reactions are example of the very fast reaction. Now ionic reaction example is the ionic reactions are very fast reaction. Ionic reaction example of the ionic reactions is the NaCl plus AgNO3 gives, friends, NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl precipitate is present in there and NaNO3 is formed. NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl and NaNO3. This is the very fast reaction friends. This reaction is complete in very few seconds. It means 10 to the power of minus 6 milliseconds is this reaction is complete. Now these are the ions are present in there. NaCl means Na plus Cl minus and Ag plus NO3 minus. This is negative and this positive is reacted to this Ag plus to form the AgCl precipitate. This precipitate is the white color precipitate. Friends, white color precipitate is formed. This is the ionic reactions. Friends, ionic reactions are very fast reaction. This is the example of the very fast reaction. Now what happened friends? Very fast reaction, rate of reaction cannot determine. Okay friends, very fast reaction, rate of reaction cannot determined. Okay friends, rate of reaction cannot determined in very fast reactions. And next to one more reaction is the very slow reaction. Okay friends, next reaction is the very slow reaction. Friends, very slow reaction is the this reaction is complete. This reaction is very slow reaction. This reaction is complete in long time period. This reaction is complete in long time period. It means years or days or months. These reactions are very slow reactions, are long time period. Now example of the very slow reaction, friends. Example of the very slow reaction is example is the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is the example of the very slow reaction. This reaction is the complete in years. In this reaction complete in very long time. This is the very slow reaction example. Now very slow reaction, friends. Very slow reaction, rate of reaction, very slow reaction, rate of reaction cannot determine. Rate of reaction cannot determine. Rate of reaction cannot determine very slow reaction. Very fast reaction is cannot determine rate of reaction, as well as very slow reaction is rate of reaction cannot determine. Now another important reaction is the moderate rate of reaction. Moderate rate of reaction. Friends, next reaction is the moderate rate of moderate reactions. Next one is the moderate reaction. Friends, moderate reaction. This reaction is the complete in, friends, these reactions are complete in, this reaction complete for the moderate reaction is infinite time. Moderate rate of reactions is the complete in finite time to finish this reaction. Moderator reactions example is the molecular reactions. Molecular reactions are moderator reaction. Friends, example for the moderator reaction is molecular reactions. Friends, molecular reactions are the example of the moderate reaction. Now example of the molecular reaction is the N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 moles of ammonia. Friends, this is the reversible reaction, but I am talking about this is reactants and product. This only talk about chemical kinetics is reactants and products. This is a reactants is converted into the products. Okay, friends, this is not mentioned to the arrow and double arrow. Okay, friends, this is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 NH. This is the reactants and products. Now this is the molecular reaction. Now this is the N is the N triple bond N, and 3H2 is the bond hydrogen bond, and this is the formation NH3. Friends, these reactions are this is the bond formation, this is the bond breaking. Friends, bond breaking and bond formation. Bond breaking and bond formation is finite time to finish. Finite time to finish bond breaking and bond formation. These reactions is called as moderate rate of reaction. Moderate rate of reaction is the finish the reaction is finite time to finish the reaction. That is reactions is called as moderate reactions. Rate of reaction, friend, rate of reaction is determined to the moderate reaction. Moderate reaction is determined to the rate. Moderate reactions are determine the rate of reaction. This is the rate of reaction concept. Rate of reactions is only determined to the moderate rate of reactions, and very slow reaction and very fast reaction rate of reaction cannot determine. Okay, friends, this is the concept of the rate of reaction. In next my video, I am going to talk about average rate of reaction and instantaneous rate of reaction, and what is the units of rate of reaction. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.